I love you, Aunt Michelle. Barbara, appreciate you. Deborah, Aunt Doreen, Aunt Barbara, Aunt Maria, Aunt Michelle. Stay strong, tough week, kick ass. You know this is how I relax. No matter the weather, no matter the case, we get out there and kick ass with no disgrace. Let your animal fun out. Let the laughter begin. Because, yes, indeed, we are the best motherfucking TV show going to get back. Woo! Jackie Boy's here, baby. And I appreciate the ladies out there. Cobras inspires me just like all you beautiful sweet sisters out there. The strength, the courage to be a mama. I am myself, no matter the weather. Woo, baby! We're feeling good. So let the fun and let the animal out. Because no matter what, we shine and we keep the romance of the dancer. Let's do that. So who like get married and who like that some fun? Because I know, this is awesome. Thank you, Barbara, love you, sweet sister. Yes, the ladies who got like his hair down and shot. Lower back, bang, bang. This is how I own. They may try to treat you like an animal. They may try to repress you. But guess what, baby? We get out there, baby. We dance, dance, have fun. And you know, guess who's always by Daddy's side? Woohoo! Here she is, the beautiful Elsalana, Jackson Gemma, Victor Mackey, Ezekiel Reyes, Hartmore, Maria, love you. Jeff Keller, our president. Thank you, ladies. Shine through the queen. Shine and rise. Because you know, God, we're co-workers. I am inspired by you. I appreciate you for a beautiful week. Kick ass. Maybe a rough week, yes, Michelle. But guess what? This is what we do for fun. Woo! Let your hair down. You just feel the boat. And let it go. No more bullshit. No more stress. What? Ah, I love you. I appreciate you. Let's shake up the world, baby.